Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the healthiest breakfast foods enjoyed around the world. Oats. Simple, nutritious, satisfying. Millions of people begin their day with a bowl of oats. It has been a breakfast favorite for generations. Oats are affordable, easy to prepare and packed with valuable nutrients. But oats offer much more than a filling breakfast. Let's begin with fiber. Oats are one of the best natural sources of soluble fiber. This fiber helps support healthy digestion and contributes to a healthy gut. Another important benefit is heart health. The soluble fiber in oats is associated with supporting healthy cholesterol levels as part of a balanced diet. A healthy heart is essential for overall wellness. Then comes long-lasting energy. Unlike many sugary breakfast foods, oats provide complex carbohydrates. These release energy gradually throughout the day. This may help you stay energized for longer. Another important area is weight balance. Because oats are rich in fiber, they help you feel full for a longer time. Many people include oats in balanced meal plans for this reason. Now let's talk about blood sugar. The fiber in oats helps slow digestion. This can support more stable blood sugar levels after meals. Another important benefit is brain function. Your brain needs a steady supply of nutrients and energy. A nutritious breakfast helps support concentration and mental performance. Then comes antioxidants. Oats contain natural antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. These compounds contribute to long-term wellness. Another advantage is versatility. Oats can be prepared as warm porridge. They can be added to smoothies. They can be mixed into yogurt. They can be used in pancakes, muffins, and healthy snacks. Now let's discuss daily nutrition. Oats contain vitamins, minerals, plant protein, and fiber. This makes them one of the most complete breakfast foods. But here is the truth. Choose plain oats whenever possible. Many flavored instant oat products contain added sugar. Fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds are healthier ways to add flavor. Now here is the key message. Oats are more than a simple breakfast. They contain nutrients that may support heart health, digestion, stable energy, and overall wellness. Small healthy choices repeated every day can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us continue creating valuable health content. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care,